Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a page template in Shopify. This is incredibly useful when you want to maintain consistent design and structure across multiple pages on your store without having to rebuild them from scratch each time. Let's start by opening your browser and navigating to shopify.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're logging into the account where you want to create your page template. After you've logged in, you'll land on your Shopify homepage. Look over to the left side of your screen where you'll see the main navigation menu. From here, click on Online Store. This is where all your theme and design options live. Once that section expands, click on Edit Theme. This will take you directly into the theme editor where you can customize your store's appearance and structure. Now, at the top of the screen, you'll see a drop-down that currently says Home Page. Click on it to reveal all the different page types you can work with. For this example, we're going to click on Pages. This is where you'll manage templates specifically for standard pages on your site, not blog posts or product pages. Once you're in the Pages section, look for the option that says Create Template and click it. This is where the magic happens. A pop will appear asking you to input a name for your new template. Choose something descriptive that will help you identify its purpose later, like About Page Template or Custom Landing Page. Just below that, you'll see a drop-down labeled Based on. This lets you select an existing page template as a starting point, which can save you a lot of time. Select the page you want to base your template on, then click Create Template. Your new template is now created and ready to be customized. Now that your template is set up, click the Exit button in the upper left corner. This will take you back to the main Shopify admin area where you can start applying your new template to actual pages. On the left side of your screen, under the Online Store section, click on Pages. This is where you manage all the individual pages on your Shopify store. To create a new page using your template, click Add Page. You'll be prompted to input a title for your new page, so go ahead and type in whatever makes sense for your store. Now, look over to the right side of the screen, you'll see a section labeled Template. Click on that drop-down and choose the template you just created. This applies all the design and structure settings from your custom template to this new page. Once you've selected your template, click Save. Your new page is now live with your custom template applied. And that's it. You've successfully created a page template in Shopify and applied it to a new page. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.